All right, we're trying to figure out what is the least possible number of crates of wine sap. We know that there's 25 crates, and I've got Macintosh plus Rhone plus wine sap equals 25. Each crate will contain apples of only one variety. If the store is to order more crates of wine sap, so wine sap, then Macintosh, and more crates of wine sap than crates of Rhone. Okay, so we know that wine sap is the largest, and if we had an equal number, if we were to take the 25 and divide by the three types, that would be 8 1/3. Okay, so we're trying to figure out the minimum number of wine sap. So that would be, if we let Macintosh and Rhone be 8, 8 plus 8 gives you 16, and then 25 minus 16 would be, 25 minus 16 would be 9. So that's going to be your least possible number of wine sap, would be 9 crates.